Hey, future entrepreneurs! Are you a student looking for other ways to earn money that will not compromise your studies? If yes, this is a perfect video for you. In this video, we're going to dive into 6 side hustles that are perfect for students, and I especially love number 6, number 3, number 2, and number 1. This is because these side hustles will pay you highly, and you don't need to put in a lot of work to earn this money, and you don't also need a special skill to be able to earn this money. To earn money, you need to offer value, and there are 3 kinds of value you can offer. You can offer product, service, and content. If you can offer any of these values, then you are ready to start earning money, whether passively or fully. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh, and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online, and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end to get the most value from it. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the subscription, and everything you do to grow the small community. I do not take your effort for granted. The first side hustle that is perfect for students is freelance writing and content creation. With the high demand for content online, students can become freelancers for writing, and this includes things like writing blog posts, or writing articles, writing social media posts, and even creating their own blogs and showcasing their writing talent. Now, becoming a writer or a content creator will not compromise your studies. This is because we have AI that can help you to generate this article or whatever article you need. You just need to know how to use AI or to give prompts to AI so that AI will generate whatever script you want or whatever kind of writing or article that you need. You can even take 30 minutes of your time in a day and generate 3 different blog posts that you have actually generated, read through, and edited, and then you can actually sell out or post on your own blog. It is as simple as that. If you want to get into details with this, with writing skills, or you feel like this is what you want to do, let me know on the comment section, and I will do a specific video on these platforms that can actually pay you to become a writer. There are platforms out there that you can actually create your accounts there. Start earning money as a writer. And we have platforms like Upwork, we have Fiverr, we have Guru, we have People Per Hour, we have Writers Work, and a lot more. Some of these platforms will even pay you per article, like $10. Some will give you $15, and some will even give you above $15, depending on the kind of article you submit to them. If you want to know more about writing and which of these platforms will pay you a lot, go down to the comment section and drop a question right there, and I will respond to you, specially because this will not take you a lot of time to create your content, but you're going to earn in an hour or even 15 minutes $10, sometimes $20, and some even $30. So if you're interested, you know what to do, and I'll be right there to put you through how to start and how to earn this money as a writer or a content creator today. The second side hustle that is perfect for students is graphic design. Graphic design is a valuable skill that can be used to create logos, to create graphics, to create posters, and to create more for businesses and individuals. Now, to become a graphic designer, you do not need to spend 3 months, 6 months to become a graphic designer. You just need 15 minutes of your time every day to go through some certain apps, learn some petite skills, and then you can become a graphic designer. Platforms like Canva, you have Skillshare, you have Adobe Illustrator can help you to become a graphic designer. I have a lot of videos on this channel on how you can use Canva to create posters, to create graphics, to create, ebooks, and a lot. So you can go through this channel. I mean, I'm going to put the link to the other videos below at the description and on the comment section. You can go there. I mean, click on it, watch it, and learn. And another platform that can really help you learn more on graphic designing is YouTube, of course. How can I forget talking about YouTube? There are a lot of topics, I mean, videos about graphic designing on YouTube. So you can go through my channel or any other channel that you feel comfortable with and learn little skills to become a graphic designer. And there are platforms that will pay you for selling posters, for selling, social media graphics, and a lot. We have platforms like Amazon, we have Upwork, we have Fiverr, and a lot more. If you want to become a graphic designer, you desire to become a graphic designer and you're a student, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to tell you which of the platforms will help you learn better on graphic designing and which platforms you can sell your designs on and earn a lot of money. You can design a poster, you can even design thumbnails and sell a thumbnail for $2, and it will take you less than a minute to create a thumbnail with a platform like Canva. So it's as easy as that. Just make sure you go down to the comment section, let me know, and I will put you through how you can begin and where you can sell. The third side hustle that is perfect for students is tutoring services. Now, if you're a student who is brighter than your peers, what you can do is to offer tutoring services to your peers or to students that are younger than you. Now, you can do this in two different forms. You can do it in person or you can do this online. And in person will limit you to a certain amount of people or only to your institution. But if you are doing this, offering tutoring services online, then you can earn a lot of money because people out of your institution will be able to queue into your tutoring services and you would earn more money. There are a lot of platforms out there that you can earn money from, or you can become a tutor and earn money from a lot of social media platforms. You can even tutor on Facebook, you can tutor on Instagram, you can tutor on TikTok, you can also tutor right here on almighty YouTube. Why would I always take YouTube as the last? But there are a lot of platforms out there that you can tutor and earn money. Just make sure you monetize it. Tell your peers or anyone who wants to register or queue into your tutoring services how much per hour or how much per month. It all depends on you. But remember, you must be very intelligent or your IQ must be high, because tutoring online will give you a lot of work because you have to research. You're meeting people from different institutions, different lecturers, so you need to study hard or research more. Now, if you're a student and you're interested in tutoring and you want to earn per hour, these other platforms will help you to earn per hour. We have platforms like TutorMe, we have Schooly, we have tutor.com, we have Preply, and a lot more. If you're a student and you're interested in becoming a tutor, go down to the comment section and drop your comments right there, and I will tell you which of those platforms is better for you to use. And also, come along with me. Let me show you how much you can earn. So, this is the average pay for writers in Nigeria. We have 1,350 naira per hour. Right here, we have the hourly rate, we have bonus, we have profit sharing, we have commission, and the total pay. Remember that you are not the one writing, you are using AI to write for you. So what have you got to lose? What is more better is You must not write only for Nigeria. You can be in Nigeria, but you write for companies abroad. Right here, this platform will pay you $75 to $100 for articles between 900 to 1,500 words. And you would even have a bonus of $150 each month. Still the $75 to $100 for articles between 900 to 1,500 words, and you also have bonuses from this platform. If we keep scrolling down, you will see different amounts from different platforms. Like I said, go to the comment section and let me know if you're interested, and I'm going to tell you which platform will pay you better and which platform you should start working on. The fourth side hustle that is perfect for students is digital marketing. Businesses are currently looking for digital marketing experts that will help them with social media management, SEOs, and online advertising. Digital marketing refers to the use of platforms, technologies, digital channels to promote products, services, or brands to their targeted audience. It comprises of a wide range of activities, including search engine optimization, that is SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and a lot more. This simply means that you have a lot to do as a digital marketer. If this is what you're interested in, there are several platforms that you can learn and then perfect your skills on becoming a digital marketer. These platforms are platforms like Facebook Blueprint, Google Skillshop, we have YouTube, we have Google itself. You can take your time. Google has a lot of courses it's offering for free. So you can actually take your time, learn on this maybe 15 minutes a day, and then you perfect on your skills and become a digital marketer. Remember, everyone and every business wants to advertise their business on the social media platform. This simply means that you're going to earn a lot of money as a digital marketer, and it's not the kind of business you're going to wait for a week, 2, or a month before you're having a client, because everyone is in need of SEOs. Everyone is in need of a digital marketer at some point, or sometimes even every day. A lot of content creators are out there looking for a digital marketer to handle their products, to handle their businesses or their channel. So you can just take that opportunity, go to any of these platforms and learn for free. Google is offering this for free. So I'm going to put the link below. You can click on it and learn directly from Google how you can become a good digital marketer depending on the branch you want to belong to. The fifth side hustle that is perfect for students and will not interfere in your studies is dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping will allow you to sell products online without inventory. This simply means that you can start your own e-commerce store and then you can partner with suppliers to fulfill orders. Dropshipping is one of those side hustles that will make you a millionaire without you having a single product in your shop. Now, if you're a student and this is what you want to do, all you need to do is to create your own e-commerce store, go to other platforms, search for the suppliers right there, partner with the suppliers, sell their products, and you get a commission from each sale you make. Now, these platforms will help you to get better suppliers. We have Amazon, we have Shopify, we have Etsy, and there are a lot more. There is WooCommerce, I think that's how it's called. You can get to any of these platforms. Amazon is right there, Etsy is right there, you have Shopify. Create your accounts right there, search for any supplier, sell their product, or import their products to your e-commerce store. This simply means that you take the pictures, the prices, you put on your e-commerce store, and when you sell those products, you would earn a commission. Dropshipping and e-commerce is as simple as that. If this is what you want to become a dropshipper, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to tell you how to start and which platforms will pay you seamlessly. The fifth side hustle that is perfect for students and will not interfere in your studies in any way is photography and videography. Now look around you. There is always a need for photographers and videographers. Every other minute, every other hour, there are people taking videos, people taking photos, but the videographers and photographers are very limited. This is another side hustle that as a student, you can earn a lot of money. And the amazing thing about this is that you do not need a lot of money to start up with this. You have your smartphone. I know a lot of us have phones with us. I mean, iPhones and then the expensive Samsung phones. Use your phone to do this photography, videography, and still use the phone to edit it. There are a lot of editing apps. All you need is to spend at least an hour or even 15 minutes on YouTube. Go through channels that are talking about editing, videography, photography. Spend 15 minutes every other day for like a week, and then you can start editing as a pro. And make sure you monetize it. Maybe you can even take pictures of people without them letting you, but when you bring the pictures or the videos to them and it's beautiful, you tell them this is $2 or $1, they would definitely pay for those videos or for those pictures. Now, these are the 6 best side hustles for students that are perfect and will not interfere in your studies. We have photography and videography, we have dropshipping and e-commerce, we have digital marketing, we have graphic designing, we have tutoring services, and we have freelance writing and content creation. Remember, you must offer value to be able to earn money. So you can either offer a product, a service, or a content. If you can offer any of these values, then you will start earning money for yourself. If you're a student and you want to start any of these side hustles, remember, the most important equipment you need is your smartphone. And I know you guys, all of you have smartphones, and most of you have very expensive smartphone, so you can use your smartphone to do any of the side hustles and earn money for yourself. Thank you for watching this video up till this end, and I hope you have gotten value from this video. Just go down to the comment section and drop a comment there for me, and do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and you turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our subsequent videos. Love you all. Thank you for your support, and see you next time. Bye bye.